In this section of MFP2, we're going to be talking about carving out your target market by being precise in broad industries through market segmentation. Having a more defined target audience optimizes your marketing costs and enhances your marketing reach through relevance. Essentially, you save money by knowing who to target and how. By dividing potential customers into market segments, you're able to leverage data and insights to tailor your marketing strategies for those specific segments. We offer Document 2.2 in the MFP document kit to summarize all of your segmentation and act as a worksheet to put all characteristics of your segments. So in the example of my sustainable wood furniture company, one of the first segments I would identify would be value-oriented residential furniture buyers. These could be new and existing homeowners looking to purchase high-quality furniture at a reasonable price point. I would say that segment is about 35% of my overall market. Another segment could be commercial furniture procurement buyers. For example, interior designers looking to design a beautiful space related to sustainable materials or even a wood rustic feel. A third segment could be luxury furniture enthusiasts looking to purchase high-end furniture at a higher price point with higher quality materials, about 20% of my overall market. Or even eco-conscious buyers looking at the sustainable aspect of my business and the sustainable aspect of my business identity that I've been building out. Another segment could be antique and vintage collectors, maybe only 5% of my market looking to buy older furniture or even older looking furniture. And a final segment could even be compact space-saving buyers, looking for that functionality that we had discussed before, so any kind of wireless charging or even Wi-Fi integrated furniture. Through all the segmentation, you're now able to directly and precisely target your market in your broad industry.